EventPlus offers a universe of services for exhibitors through an integrated web platform. We've made requesting services simple and intuitive to help exhibitors make the most of their presence here. So let's say you're looking to arrange cold canapes for your stand to give your visitors that extra bit of hospitality. The first step is to head to your exhibition website. At this point, you should already be logged in. On the top left corner, you'll notice a menu called Browse Services. Once you tap it, it'll expand into all the services you can request at the click of a mouse. Let's start by clicking the catering headline in the menu on the left. This takes you to a page detailing all the food categories available to you. Scroll through till you find the category you want, in this case mini sandwiches. Choose the dishes you want and add the quantities you desire to your cart. You'll be able to use filters to quickly find gluten-free, dairy-free or nut-free options. If there's no stand currently registered on the system, we'll need some basic information so we can find you and serve you, such as your stand name, number and hall. Once that's done, the top of the page will now show you that your order has been allocated to a specific stand. When you're done ordering, head to Cart at the top right hand of the screen. Double-check your selection and total before clicking the Cart button to proceed. You can add instructions so we deliver your goods and services on the exact day and time that you want. You can even split your order over multiple days. The last step is to check out, so press that Proceed to Checkout button. At this point, our system will prompt you with suggestions for additional services you might need. When you're ready to proceed, click the Checkout button. There, your order is placed and will show up without hassle at the time and location requested.